welcome to It's Just Lines, our simple drawing series. Today we are going to be drawing a tree. I've got my Sharpie, I've got my paper. Let's get started. Now, sometimes people think trees are super hard to draw, and they can be tricky. But when you break it down into lines, you guys are going to see it's not that hard, all right? So we're going to start with the tree trunk, all right? And that is about half of our tree. So if we divide that, we've got kind of half trunk, half branches and leaves. So let's start with the tree trunk, about half my paper. I'm going to start with a line that's going down, and I think what's going to be cool about these tree lines is even though they're sort of straight lines, they're sort of bumpy, wiggly lines, because in nature, trees are kind of bumpy. They're not perfectly straight. So it's fine if your line wiggles a bit. All right, now right next to that line, you're going to do another line and let it get just a little bit more wide as it gets toward the bottom. All right, so good. Now we've got a nice tree trunk. All right, and we're going to do some flare lines that go out a little bit here and make our tree wider at the bottom. These are where kind of the roots of the tree would start. But we're also going to add some grass. All right, so the grass we want to look like it's coming up in front of the tree. So we're going to do some zigzaggy lines for our grass in front of our tree. All right, you can always kind of make your line come that way. All right, and I'm going to do another zigzag that cuts this trunk or root off a little bit there. All right, so we don't really see that. And then maybe on this side, let's go ahead and extend this and we'll close off our tree trunk. We'll bring it into where that grass is. All right, so we got one root flare there, and we'll do some grasses that go behind on this side. Okay, nice. So now we've grounded our tree trunk. He's not floating in the air. He's got some nice grass going around. Now, next, let's work on our branches for our tree, okay? So this is similar to how we did the tree trunk. We're gonna flare them out to this way. So let's start with the one going to the right and pick up where you left off on your tree trunk and just boop, all right? Now, as we do this side, we're gonna run parallel with it, all right? And then we're gonna stop kind of there, and we're gonna have them split, and they're gonna do a V. Okay, so I'm going to have this one go away from this one and this one go away from this one. You see how they split across like that? Now we're going to create two lines inside that make it a V shape. All right, you all, that's all the tree branch is. That's all it is. Two parallel lines that split open and then your V inside of that. If you remember that, drawing trees is going to be super easy. All right, let's try it one more time. And you all remember, if I'm ever going too quickly, you can always pause the video, okay, till you catch up. So I've got one branch going out that way. I'm going to do another one right next to it that's parallel with it, and then it's going to split. It's going to open up like that, okay? Now do your V line inside of that one. Excellent. We've got branch number 2. All right, how many are we doing? You can do as many as you want, many or as few as you want. I've got 4 here on my example one, so I'll aim for 4. All right, so one line there, stop that one there, another line parallel to it, and they're still wiggly lines. Then I'm going to split them 2 different directions, and then I'm going to put my V inside, like that. Okay, let's do one more over here, and you can see that these are smaller V's here where the branches are, and then you have kind of wider V's there. So I'm going to have one more branch going this way. This one down a little bit more. He's got a little bit more movement to him. And then I'll have my V coming inside of there. That one's more like a wide U shape. Okay, so now we've got our trunk and we've got the branches. Next, we need the leaves. And we're not drawing each individual leaf, we're just kind of doing the whole top of the tree. So we need a line that's very kind of curvy. And we're gonna do the inside of these trees first. And so here's what it looks like. Right inside where those V's stop, you're gonna do a bunch of little curved lines for these leaves, okay? So you just kind of loop your Sharpie around until you've got lines like that kind of cut off the top of those V's or close them in. All right, so I'm gonna do another one here. And they're also kind of like cloud shaped. So I didn't go straight across. I had to go up and then back down. All right, so they're kind of fluffy. So I'll do another one here. It's going up, and I'll have it come over and then kind of curve back around. Sure, he can end where that one is. All right, and then I'll do my final one here. I might have to break that one into two because this is really wide. So I'll have one that goes like that. All right, and then I'll have one that's coming in here like that. Okay, so now let's do the outside. And you can make this as big as you want. Maybe your tree is going all the way to the edge of your paper. Maybe it's a little tree and it's not that big yet. It's up to you, all right? But you're gonna continue with those wiggly kind of cloud shape lines, okay? And I'm gonna start here on this branch and have it connect. And then I'm just going now. You know, the more loopy you make it, the more leaf-like it's gonna look. But again, I'm going in and out so that it's kind of jagged. It's not just a straight curved line. It's got, think, you know, cotton candy. All right, think fluffy clouds. So you want those lines to kind of come in and out like a cloud would. All right, this is what I've got so far. Good. Keep on going until you've got all the way around to the other side of your tree. All right, so you're gonna keep looping them around. Okay, it's coming along nicely. All right, and maybe this one goes up a little higher here. You can have this one end a little bit higher there. Okay, and sometimes they kind of have the leaves that are stopping on the other side. So you can have them come up a little higher like that on the inside, you know. Come down and connect to the sky here. All right, you guys, look what we did. Created a beautiful tree top. All right, and we've got our inside leaves, we've got our outside leaves, and I think now, what do we need? Are there any other details we need? We could add a few lines on the tree trunk if you want. We could add some kind of vertical lines going down to make it look a little bit more barky. Certainly could do that. I like that. Anything else? All right, let's add some color, okay? I'm gonna use my colored pencils. I've got them here. I've got 2 shades of brown for the tree trunk, and I've got 3 shades of green for the trees. Now, if you wanted just 1 shade of brown and 1 shade of green, you can do that. But I think you'll find when you mix the colors, it looks more realistic. If you all were looking at a tree outside, you'd see it has multiple shades of green in it. All right, now I'm going to fast forward through this part, but you can always stop it at the end if you want to see how I colored in my tree and try to match my colors. We've got the grass down here too. All right, so I'm just giving an overall brown for the trunk. All right, let's do the greens. Now, I'm using colored pencils, but you could use anything. You could use markers, you could use crayons, you could use oil pastels, you could even paint your tree. So I've got this light green all over. You could stop there with 1 color, but you could try adding some darker greens too, and giving your tree some shadow. So these ones that are more behind are going to be a little bit darker than the leaves that are in the front. All right, you all, I think I'm about done with this tree. What do you all think? Is drawing a tree hard? It's not that bad, right? How is your tree looking? You know, it may not look exactly like mine, but that's okay. The important thing is that you're learning how to draw and you're having fun while you're doing it. I would just love to see how your trees turned out, and you can share your drawings with me on our Facebook page at Club Firefly Kids, and you all just keep up the good drawing. I would love to see these trees in our Shine Gallery. And you all remember, it's just lines. Great job, friends.